Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have absolutely no idea what's in this box. There's not enough information on the front to really give anything away, so you guys probably know depending on what I put as the thumbnail, but I don't. Real quick before we get started, thank you so much to all of the generous patrons who are supporting me during this time. It really helps out the channel. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and support, you can find the link down in the description. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just cut into the sides here. It's in what looks like kind of like a shoebox. There is some shipping information on the front, so I'm kind of trying to keep that private. Let me cut some of this other tape from the front. There we go. And let's slowly, oh good, there is a note in here, so we will at least be able to sort of figure out what the heck is going on. Okay, so there's that, and that's kind of heavy. Then there's this, and then there is this, and there is this box, and here is a note. All right, hang on a sec. Let's see here. Hello there, I hope that you are staying sane through this crazy pandemic. Here is the etc, etc, etc. Okay, I am starting to pick up on this. And he says, P.S. have a knife for your official unboxing series. So I imagine we'll figure out what that one is pretty easily here. Oh, yes, that's right. Okay, so the gentleman who sent this was, if you can see right there, if we can focus without giving anything else away, digital_gutter_snipe, which I believe is on Instagram. Thank you so much for sending these guys along. Let's go ahead and get into some things. So this is a CRKT, and this is, hold on, let's look at the front here. Okay, so this will be perfect because we actually unboxed a version of this just the other day. So this is another A-Purvis Primordial. This is the Primordial 2, which right off the bat I am super interested in. This, this works out perfectly because now I can actually do a when I do the review, I can talk about both of them. This one in particular has a Damascus clip. I can tell you guys right off the bat, I am much more of a fan of this one, considering that the blade is not a recurve and that it has a flipper. I remember thinking when I unboxed that one, I was like, man, if it didn't have the recurve and maybe if it had a flipper, I'd like it a little bit more. And yeah, I think that's being confirmed right here. I'll give you guys another look at that pocket clip. Very beautiful. And then we've got marble, or is it shred or marble? I think it's marble carbon fiber. And then we've got the nice titanium bolster there. Very beautiful. Looks like M390 for the blade. Always love Adam Purvis's work. Once we have here, oh, good deal. Good deal. Don't want to ruin, I mean, like, it's like I'm hiding it, but you guys have already seen the thumbnail. This is the Sharp by Design Void. So this is one that I'm like late to the game on. There's a lot of reviewers out there who have taken a look at this already. God, that's cool. That's really cool. I am a big fan of the blade shape and the aesthetic of this. Check out this, listen to me stuttering. The inlay here, it's like white G10 on bronze with this nice, long belly, this, excessive belly there, and then the large opening hole so you can do the reverse flick, or you can do your, your sort of sideways thumb flicks or whatever. Very cool. And what do we have here? Oh, okay. So this is for the unboxing knife. We're going to put that one aside because that will be recorded when we do the unboxing, or the Quest of the Perfect Unboxing Knife this Saturday. And this is, as you can see by that card, the CRKT Homefront in titanium. I watched Nick Shabazz review this, and I was like, what? Okay, well, yeah, it certainly does flip. And it is full titanium. Very interesting. I'm a big fan of the texture pattern down here. This is interesting for a lot of reasons. It is very unlike CRKT to do. Now, I know that the standard version of this, I believe, is not. There's a much less expensive version of this that is not in titanium. but this one is in titanium. Now, it's my understanding, let me look at the note here real quick. Yeah, as discussed, I no longer carry or use the Homefront, so as you see fit, either use it in a giveaway or, you know, etc. So, yeah, so that's what that was intended for. So if you see Digital Gutter Snipe down there in the comments section, rest assured that we will be doing a giveaway at some point on this titanium CRKT Homefront that will benefit everybody. This was an epic unboxing. Really, really cool. Thank you so much, again, Digital underscore Gutter Snipe, for sending these guys along. And again, for honestly, it's super generous donation. Exceedingly generous. So thank you so much. Can't wait to take a look at these. I think these will provide some interesting content, and I know you guys will probably be pretty excited about it. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.